Welcome, my friends, to Science Rocks with Mr. Gideon. I am so excited to be with you guys. I miss you all. I hope you guys are remaining happy, healthy, and safe. I thought today we would talk a little bit about magnetism. So, magnetism, that's a pretty big word. Some of you may have already heard that. I know in the classrooms we all have magnets. So probably at your house you probably have a magnet, but I guarantee you, you have magnetic stuff all around you. In fact, even our whole planet, the planet Earth, is a giant magnet. At the very center of it is something called iron. Now, iron, what's iron? Iron is a type of metal, which is magnetic. That means it can stick to a magnet. So I know in my classroom, I grabbed this. It has a very simple magnet, and it shows us some things that are magnetic. Typically, metal is going to be magnetic. Plastic is not, because they're made of different materials. So here's a little experiment that I wanted to tell you about. Also has to do with nutrition. So I know everybody knows what this is. This is cereal. Now for today, I used Cheerios, but you can use whatever cereal you have around. Now Cheerios, Frosted Flakes, usually any non-colored cereal is going to be better because you're going to be able to see the results better. So, but what I did was I took about 4 servings of Cheerios and I crushed them up. And it took a while. So, but I made a really fine powder out of it. This should take you probably about 10 minutes, depending upon how fine you want the grains to be. But you're gonna do that. Then, after that, and obviously you want it more broken up than this. You want it to be almost like sand. But for the purpose of our experiment today, I'm just gonna stop right there. So I've got my little bag of sand. I also have about a cup of water. Warm water definitely works better, guys, although it's not necessary. So I'm gonna do that. Did you know that in your cereal there is iron? They're like tiny, tiny little fillings of iron. But you know what else has iron in it? You do. In your blood is iron. So I just wanted to know how much iron is actually in my breakfast cereal. So with a little movie magic, I left it for about an hour. And I came up with this. So you can see the consistency is very liquidy. It's okay if you have a little bit of lumpiness to your cereal. But I just left this in a bag for an hour, and then I took my magnet and I placed it in the center of my bag of Cheerios and water. And I just kind of stirred it around, and you'll notice that here on the ends of the magnet are all these little tiny black fillings. That, my friends, is the iron that's in your cereal. Did you know that you have teeny tiny, almost like nails, inside your cereal that you eat for breakfast every morning? And not only that, it's good for you. All right, my friends, so that was Science Rocks with Mr. Gideon. Please feel free to upload your videos, send them to me. I want to see what works with different cereals. Maybe you only have Fruit Loops. See if it works. Show me, send me a video, email me, tigers@earlyconnections.org. Awesome. I hope you guys all have a wonderful and amazing day. And remember, science rocks.